Connecting to Spectrum Mobile is a straightforward process, primarily leveraging Verizon's nationwide 5G and LTE network. You'll typically connect using either a physical SIM card or a digital eSIM. For a physical SIM, you'll receive it via mail or in-store, then simply insert the Nano Micro Standard card into your compatible device and power it on. Follow any on-screen prompts or use the Spectrum mobile app for guided setup. For eSIM, which has seen a 25% adoption boost in 2025, the process is even more streamlined. Spectrum's updated app, featuring eSIM onboarding, allows you to activate digitally by scanning a QR code or downloading a profile directly. This activation usually takes 5 to 10 minutes and requires a stable internet connection. As of September 2025, Spectrum's app supports one-tap setup for both iOS and Android, and eSIM is compatible with over 80% of their supported phones, including iPhone 15 Plus and Samsung Galaxy S24 models. Ensure your device is compatible by checking Spectrum's official list. Once your SIM or eSIM is activated, ensuring correct access point name, APN, and carrier settings is crucial for seamless connectivity, though often these are automatically configured. The APN acts as a gateway, allowing your device to connect to the internet through the mobile network. For Spectrum Mobile, which uses Verizon's network, the primary APN settings are APN Winternet, with the MMSC typically HTMS mfvtex.com/servlet/MMS. Other fields like username, password, MMS proxy, and port are usually left blank. On Android, you can find and modify these settings under Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names. For iOS, navigate to Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Cellular Data Network. Beyond APN, carrier settings control network preferences like VoLTE, Voice over LTE, and Wi-Fi calling, which Spectrum enables by default. To ensure you have the latest configurations, update carrier settings via Settings General About on iOS or Settings System Update Carrier Settings Update on Android. If you encounter connectivity issues, a device reboot or contacting Spectrum support is recommended, and knowing these manual APN settings can be a helpful troubleshooting step.